let's make an audio call on Instagram. Now, of course, you're on your phone. You can always just call somebody the regular way on your iPhone or Android, but you can also call them on Instagram. And the nice thing about that is you can call anybody that you follow or follows you. So you can call people, you might not know their phone number, but you can reach them through Instagram itself and talk to them. So to do that, let's open up Instagram and we will just tap on the messages at the very top right. And then again, at the top right, you can see that little camera with a plus. I'm going to tap on that. And this gives me a bunch of different people that I can call. So the key here is that if you want to do an audio or voice only call, you can use that little telephone icon right there. So I'm going to tap on it. And you can see that, of course, the camera is disabled here. You can either mute the microphone or unmute it. If you want multiple people on an audio call, you can just tap the people at the bottom right here and then tap invite to invite other people to this call as well. So you can make a group call or tap share a link, and you can share that specific link so that other people will hop on that same call as well. Maybe it's a bunch of classmates or college friends, stuff like that that you want to join. So you can also tap the down arrow at the top left. And that kind of minimizes this screen, and then you can go through scrolling Instagram or doing whatever else you want while on that audio call on Instagram. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.